Across continents and centuries, love has spoken in many languages. These are 30 lessons humanity has carried through time. Love is the bridge between you and everything. Where there is love, there is no other. To love is to be reborn in every moment. Love turns silence into song. Every act of kindness is a seed of love. The beloved is not outside, you carry them within. In love, the soul finds its wings. Where love is, there is Dharma. Love teaches patience more than time. Love is freedom, not attachment. Love is a practice of mindfulness. To love is to wish all beings free from suffering. A loving heart is the greatest gift. A flower does not compete, it simply blooms in love. Love is a daily meditation. Eros awakens passion, but agape perfects the soul. Friendship is the purest form of love. Platonic love lifts the soul higher. Love is the union of two souls seeking the good. True love is choosing virtue together. Love builds community stronger than blood alone. Love is wealth greater than cattle. Love is taught by patience with children. Without love, no one can be truly human. Ancestors show their love in the wind and rain. To walk gently is to walk in love. A house without love is a desert. Love is remembering God and the beloved. Love heals every wound that time cannot. Love is humanity's only universal language. Love has 1,000 names, but one essence. Which lesson touched you most today? Subscribe for more human wisdom. Comment your favorite cultural lesson.